In this video, we are going to see how we can print a Google Doc with comments. So as you can see here, I've added a comment here and I want to print it this way. What you have to do is just click on File, go to the download first and click on Microsoft Word so that it downloads it in the Microsoft Word document format. Now once that is downloaded, you open it up and you can see the comment is added here as well. And after that, if you click on the file menu and click print from here, you should be able to see the comment is linked directly here. And if we try to change the position of it, let's say I want to place it here. Let's see if it makes the changes in the comments in the print as well. No, it doesn't. This is how it shows up. After that, you just give a print command and this should be able to print the document along with all the comments mentioned. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.